For this, we will start in a tabletop position, keeping our thighs hip-width apart, toes tucked out, and our palms firmly grounded on the mat. Make sure that your wrist, elbow and shoulder are all in a straight line. Now from here, take a deep breath in, lift your head up, chest up and arch your lower back, and exhale. Bring your chin towards your chest and imagine your upper back is trying to reach towards the sky. Let's do this a few more times. Inhale, arch your lower back, lift your head up and chest up. Exhale, curve your upper back, pull it towards the sky. Try to touch your chin to the throat. One more time. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. One last time. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Now go down to child's pose or balasana and relax.
For warrior number 2, it is kind of a continuation from warrior 1 and it goes like a flow. So let's imagine that we are into the warrior 1. So again, taking care of the alignment, and from warrior 1, so just observe in 1, your hands are tall and nice, creating length in your back, and for number 2, nothing changes in your lower body. Your lower body is just grounded and stable, no movement, literally no movement. And from here, for number 2, just keep your breath really normal and bring your body away from your knee and still maintaining the knee position and the alignment, and stay here for a couple of deep breaths for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release.